Flying. Oh, they're two already. Well, yes. This. See, the little white meter, it's from Mamka. Come on, let's go. There is a red cat, but there is also a white one. That's not going to fool them. Now. No, the camera shoots, it seems so nothing. It seems normal. On the iPhone, of course, it's better there. I don't know, I didn't compare it like this, so that the video is like an iPhone would shoot. That's enough for us. Is it a brother and sister? No, that's their mom. Out. This is their mother, and these are their children. This is the son, and this is the daughter. There is also a white one of the same. Earlier, when I came, we had a mom running around, and 3 of them were small, they were chasing me. Yes, he can't do something to this redhead. He doesn't want to take it away from them. Well, the smell of feed always hits the nose. What did they do to them there, but they like it. Everyone is busy. Even we are filming. Okay, let's cats. See you tomorrow, at the same time. For now.